Hi everybody! In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a leaking stud on a GTT torch. Here is the leaking fuel stud bubbling on my Phantom. This wasn't something I was sure how to fix properly, so I called Glass Torch Technologies and they gave me some directions on how to do it myself without needing to send it in, and it's actually quite simple. After identifying the location of the leak, the first step is to shave back the old sealant. To do this, I'm using an X-Acto knife with the tip of the blade bent into an L shape for better access and control. Now, since this is just a tiny pinhole leak, I can get away with removing just a small portion of the sealant instead of completely stripping down the entire stud. The guy at GTT told me that they actually have a special tool at their facility that they use to strip down the studs. So now that the hole has been better exposed, I use sandpaper to rough up the surface for better adhesion. Increased surface area equals more bonding area, and this can generally be applied to many jobs for adhesives. Then, using multiple passes of isopropyl alcohol on a paper towel, I cleaned the area of debris and any grease. I was really surprised when GTT told me that they used quick-setting JB weld to seal their torch studs. They didn't say exactly which ones, so I had to guess when I went to the store. There was only one quick-set choice that was also a gray color, and so I figured that was the right one. Next, I mixed up equal parts with a clean glass rod and slapped on a generous amount over the prepared area, making sure to include a good overlap between the torch and the old sealant. Now, even though this is quick setting, I let it cure until the next day for good measure. So after pressurizing the propane system and checking it for leaks, it looked good, and 2 weeks later, here it is with still no signs of escaping fuel. I would call that a success, so hopefully you found this helpful or entertaining. Thanks for watching.